Hello and good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss a problem from Erudov. So this is Vijayam physics classes by Siraj Kumar sir. So the problem is from Erudov, that is 1.1. See, what is the problem here? A motorboat going downstream overcame a raft at a point A. 60 minutes later it turned back. After some time it passed the raft at a distance 6 kilometers from the point A. Find the flow velocity assuming the duty of the engine to be constant. So here I am going to use some terminology like VB. Okay. So what is this VB? VB is the velocity of the boatman. Okay, velocity of the boatman or nothing but the velocity of the boat, and the other one is the VR. VR is nothing but the velocity of river. Velocity of river. Okay. See, let us first try to understand this very simple sum. See, let us say, careful observe here. See, let us say at point A. So at point A, see here there is one boat is there. This is the point A. Okay, and remember there the raft is there. See in the problem there is the word raft is there. So raft means what? Which is flowing, which is a floating body and nothing but. So let us assume that the raft is here. This is the raft. So remember the boat and the raft are at point A. By the time the boat is crossing the point A, this is the velocity of the boat. And remember, assume that the velocity of the river is also in the same direction. Okay, are you following what I am saying here? So the boat is going this side, the river is going this side. And remember, when the raft is floating, what is the velocity of the raft here? Remember, the velocity of the raft is nothing but the velocity of the river because it is a floating body. Okay, let us try to understand this sum. See, at point A, see they gave at point A, they crossed. Now see carefully here, the boat and river, both are going in the downstream. So when they are going in the downstream, what is the speed? So definitely it's the relative velocity. See downstream. Okay, see here for a downstream, what is the velocity of the boatman? Nothing but VB plus VR. Okay, see here after reaching the sum, after traveling for let us say they are given 60 minutes. See they said that 60 minutes. So let's say this is the time t. So the time t is 60 minutes or nothing but 1 hour. See after 1 hour what happened? It reached the point B. Let us assume point B he did not mention, but let us assume that it's a point B. So from point B what happened? It returned back. See, by the time it reached, see, he did not give on the return path what is the time and all. So let us assume that the time is t. See, by the time it reached the point C, what happened? The raft and the boat, again they both met here. See, they met at point A and again they met at point C. Okay, so therefore here, see, then how to solve this sum? See, he is asking. So what is the question he is asking? Find the flow velocity. Nothing but he is asking what is the velocity of the river. What is the velocity of the river here? So that we have to find. See here how we can find the velocity of the river in this case. See here there is only one simple case. See here what is that simple concept here? Means we assume that, see, the displacement of the boat, okay, and the displacement of raft are equal. Okay, displacement of boat and the displacement of raft are equal. Okay, if you can assume like that, then the problem will be solved. The problem can be solved. See, by assuming that the displacement of the boat, so let us assume that the displacement of the boat is SB and the displacement of the raft as SR. And say what is the assumption here? See, the assumption is that the display boat and the display raft are equal, because see the boat traveled up to B and came up to C, and the raft is going from A to C. So the initial point and final point of raft and the boat are equal. Okay, now see, let us assume here, let us observe here carefully. See here, so what is the displacement of the boat here? See, what is the displacement of the boat? It's nothing but AB minus BC. See carefully, this is AB and this is BC. If I can subtract from AB to BC, then I will get this point. But see, once observe carefully here, see, A to B it is downstream, but B to C it is upstream. See here, so during upstream, what is its speed? Okay, see, this is downstream, this is upstream. While going from A to B, it is downstream. But coming from B to C, it is upstream. So therefore, see, upstream means, so what is BC here? It's nothing but the VB minus VR. What is the relative speed that time? It's VB minus VR. Okay, therefore now see, let us calculate the SB is equals to, okay, see what is AB here? AB is nothing but VB plus VR into, see how much time they gave, he gave capital T. So let us take capital T. And from B to C, what is the time? It is T. And let us assume it is T. And the speed is VB minus VR. So minus VB minus VR into small t. Can I write like that? Then see here, let us expand it. VBT plus VRT minus VBT plus VRT, and this can also be written as, see here, VB, okay, VB into T minus T plus VR into T plus T. Okay. And what about the displacement of the raft? Okay, so here we got displacement of the boat is nothing but VB into T minus T plus VR into T plus T. And the displacement of the raft is what? See, the displacement of the raft is nothing but, see, the raft is moving with the speed of the river. That point you should remember, because it is a floating body. Therefore, it's nothing but VR into, see how much time? See, the total time T and T. For up to that time, it is just simply traveling on the river. So therefore, nothing but T plus T. Okay, now see, let us take, this is SR. Now here I said SB equal SR. Therefore, see carefully, VB into T minus T, okay, plus VR into T plus T is equals to VR into T plus T. So therefore, these two you can cancel. Okay, these two you can cancel, and what you can write here, VB into T minus T is equal to 0. Therefore, T minus T equal to 0. Therefore, T is equal to what? T. So very, very important. So downstream and upstream it travel for the same time. And he also said that the T equal to 1 hour. So therefore, small t is also 1 hour. Therefore, what is the total time of travel? It's nothing but total time of travel is 2 hours. And also see carefully, the displacement of the raft he gave in the problem, it is L. Say the SR value is L. So if I can substitute the same value here, then say what I'll get here, L is equals to, so VR into T plus T. Okay, so therefore now what the question, VR we have to find. Therefore VR equal to L by 2. This is what we want. If we can substitute the values, VR equal to, so here they gave that L is equal to 6 kilometers. So here in the problem they gave L equal 6 kilometers. So therefore 6 by 2 into 1, because time is 1 hour. If it's nothing but 3 kilometers per hour. This is the answer they gave. Okay, it's very simple. This is displacement of the boat and displacement raft are equal. If you can assume that, and also downstream and upstream, if you can take both these two, If you can understand these two cases, it's very easy. Okay, thank you very much.